Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be different from what I usually post. Yes, you're right. We'll be talking about NFTs. If you don't know what an NFT is, then keep watching the video. This new concept is currently blowing up the internet, and I think you should be aware of what's happening in the digital world. NFT stands for non-fungible token. As the name suggests, it is a non-fungible digital asset, which means having none equivalent to it. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are non-interchangeable digital assets stored on a blockchain. Now, what is a blockchain? I don't know much about hacking or owning a virtual asset, but NFTs are quite interesting, so I researched on them. The blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger of economic transactions that can be programmed to record not just financial transactions but virtually everything of value. It is maintained by a network of computers in a way that makes it difficult to hack or alter. Each NFT is either designed or put together by a solo creator nowadays, which are in the form of digital art. For example, CryptoPunks, like these, usually sell for between $350,000 and $500,000. So basically, NFTs are virtual art which you can buy and sell. It's similar to owning crypto like Ethereum and Bitcoin. If you're familiar with buying skins on Fortnite, that is exactly what an NFT is. It's owning a digital asset which in return will give you royalties. Let's say you bought an NFT which is... And Dunkin' Donuts said that if you own one of these you'll get free coffee for the rest of your life. Now the catch here is that you don't actually get free coffee. You had to buy that virtual token to have the royalty of getting a free coffee. If you're into the metaverse and know regarding the simulation concept, you'll know what I mean when I say that NFTs are going to be a form of a contract in the digital world.